Well, hello guys, here today on the Rusty Glovebox. What we got today is we found an alternative power supply that works a wide range of DC voltages. I think it'd be pretty practical, say like on some older equipment or something like that. It's not a Variac or anything like that, but let's come over here and let's take a look at it. Here's the little tool that eliminates the need of a battery. It's Electrox Battery Eliminator, model AR-5612. AC volt input 115, 1.6 amps, 50 and 60 cycles. And here's the DC output, 15 volts at 6 amps. And then 7.5 volts at 12 amps. So anyway, still works. Would make a good power supply for a CB radio or something like that, or if you were working on a car stereo, bench testing it, something like that. Probably even some other electronics. Well, what we have is the positive and negative terminals, and they're just a little butterfly wing nut. And I just have these wires on there temporary just so we can test it. And I have a 2 filament, like a stoplight bulb, 12 volt. Have it hooked into the system. Right now, this switch right here, up is 6 volt, down is 12 volt, and this is the off and on. And this is the range of voltages in between there. And this gauge is your amp gauge that shows how many amps you're drawing, and this shows the voltage output. So anyway, I'm going to turn it on and just kind of run it through some of the voltages, and we can see the light getting brighter and dimmer. So it's on 6 volt right now. I'm burning the 12 volt bulb. Every time I move it up, hopefully you can see it gets a little brighter and brighter. And you can see that the gauge moves up to the different voltages. Alright, we're going to put it on 12 volt now, and I push that switch down, turned it up, and this says that it's putting out 8 volts right now. So as you can tell, the light gets brighter and brighter. And there's your maximum voltage, and by this little voltmeter it's putting out about 12-13 volts, so it's doing what it's supposed to, and it's barely pulling a little over an amp. So anyway, I feel like these gauges are working pretty close. So anyway guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop and us checking out this Electrox Battery Eliminator. Hope y'all having a great week. Stay safe, stay well. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.